Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today I will be unboxing the Smart Wi-Fi Fairlights from Lasco. Actually, I recently uploaded a video about another product by Lasco, which is the Smart Wi-Fi Dreamlights. So if hindi nyo pa napapanood yon, you can watch it here and ililink ko sa description sa baba. So for today, I will be unboxing another Lasco item, which is the Smart Wi-Fi Fairlights. So this is actually a new product on their lineup. So apart dun sa previous unboxing ko na Dreamlights, meron pa silang bago, which is the Fairlight. Ang kagandahan kay Fairlights, lahat ng features nung Dreamlights nasa kanya na. So ano-ano ba yung mga features na yon? So i-discuss ko rin siya for this video. So before we do that, let's do the unboxing. Let's check what can we see on the box. So in front, you can see the Lasco logo, Smart Wi-Fi Fairlights, and yung itsura ng Fairlights. Actually, ito yung counterpart nila for siguro Christmas LED or Christmas lights. You can see sa baba ng box yung mga apps na applicable siya. Right side, wala. And then on the left side, nakalagay lang manufactured for and distributed by Lasco Home Security and Automation. Website and email address nakalagay. And then the Philippine flag. And then on the back, doon nakalagay yung features and specifications. So let's start with the features first. So meron siyang on and off timer schedule, mobile control, voice control, scene selection, and music sync. So ang ganda nung music mode or music sync ni Dreamlights. So let's see and find out if ganun din ba ka-sensitive si Fairlight. If pares na pares siya, then most likely sulit na sulit to. And then on this part, applications na compatible with this product, which is the Lasco app, obviously, Smart Life, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Google Assistant, and the Tuya app. Then down here, some specification. The voltage is DC 5 volts. Power supply is USB, so via USB siya. And then color is RGB. Music sync, yes. Dimmable, yes. Control via the mobile app or the remote. Length niya is 10 meters. Then works with yung mga nabanggit ko kaninang applications. Powered by Tuya app, yes. Connectivity is Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz. Then, compatible siya with Android and iOS. So, here's the Smart Wi-Fi Fairlights in close up. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay. Yun. So, another Lasco quality check product. So, napanggit ko sa previous video ko, alam mong maganda ang quality na binibigay ni Lasco. Kasi every product nila, tinetest muna nila bago nila ipadala. So, ayan. Ito yung proof. Alam mong okay si Lasco. Okay, so what else can we see on the box? So, let's start with this one. This is the remote. So, same na same siya dun sa remote nung Dreamlight. Power cable. The manual. And the Fairlights itself. Oh, so it's gold color yung Fairlights. So I guess ito yung pinaka, yun nga, nasabi ko kanina, counterpart nila as a Christmas light. So Fairlights yung tawag. And this is perfect kasi magpapasko na. And sana lang mas nalabas nila ng mas maaga. Kasi syempre, obviously, yung mga tao ngayon, mga Pinoy ngayon, naka-setup na ng Christmas. Pero next year, at least, may bagong ng option, which is this one. So, as you can see, this is very different. So, ayan, wala siyang connector. Wala siyang 3-pin, 4-pin, 5-pin. So, naka-recta siya kay Fairlights. And then, this one. Connected na siya. I'm far from the outlet, but let's check if we can use a power bank. Oh, so pwede yung from power bank, guys. As you can see, gumagana siya nang nakakonect sa power bank. And if ever walang outlet na malapit sa location ng paglalagyan nyo, then this is perfect. Just use a power bank. Okay, so let's try to click on the color mode. Oh, nice. So, hindi siya ganon as fast changing colors as the Dreamlights. Pero this one, ang tinatawag nila dito is addressable lights kasi per LED bead, nagpapalit siya ng color. Napapalitan yung color niya. So, hindi siya yung isang buo lang. So, iba-iba. So, yan. So, ito talaga ang We Wish You a Merry Christmas lights. What else? Oh. Yan, Paskong Pasko. Nice. What else? Ganda rin niya, guys. So, ayan. Let's try yung music mode kung same ba ng sensitivity with the Dreamlights. Hello? Mic check. 1, 2. Yun. So, sensitive din siya. So, I guess ito talaga. Ito talaga yung magic ni Lasco. Yung IR box nila. Kasi andi dito yung microphone. So, ito yung wala sa mga previous Lasco products. Kaya hindi ganun ka-sensitive yung music sync nila. But right now, na-perfect na ni Lasco to. So, great job, Lasco. What else? Mic test. 1, 2. Hello. Mic check. 1, 2. So, pwede to. Kunyari, mangangaraling kayo. Pwede kang magdala ng fairy lights and then dala na lang kayo ng power bank. Tapos may ilaw pa kayo. So, 'di ba? Dagdag ano 'yun? Dagdag points 'yun. Hello, mic test. Ayan, ang dami pang iba-ibang effects ng music mode. So, dito naman dun sa IR controller, same lang naman to sa mga IR controllers and yung sa Dreamlights. And this one, yung nasa baba, yung 1, 2, 3, 4, ito yung mga music mode, which is, na-try na rin natin with the IR controller box. So, same lang siya. And, ito, yung mga color modes. Yan, iba-iba siya. So, may 8. And then, this one, yung brightness nung fairy lights. Then, obviously, pwede pa rin siyang solid colors. So, if gusto mo magamit to sa Christmas tree nang hindi nag-iba yung colors, pwede pa rin siya. Ayan, may yellow, may white. And, actually, mas ano nga siya eh. Mas flexible nga siya eh. Kasi, kahit anong theme nung Christmas tree mo, depende sa theme ng Christmas tree mo, yung ilaw, 'di ba? So, pagka ganitong flexible na napapalitan yung color, mas maganda. So, right now, let's try naman using the Lasco app. So paano ba mag-add ng Lasco items sa Lasco app? So, just click on this plus button. So, that means add device. And then, just choose the Lasco product. So, in this case, si lighting. And then, strip lights. Yan. Pag nag-blink na siya on the app, just click on the confirm indicator rapidly blinking. Yan. So, connecting na siya. So, let's just wait a couple of minutes. Okay, nice. Connected na siya. Just click on done. And then from there, you can control it na. As you can see, iba na yung interface for the new products ni Lasco. So, ito na yung itsura niya. Yung previous interface kasi is ganito pa. So, alam mong bago yung product nila pag nagbago na yung interface. So, sa akin, ito na yung nakikita ko. So, bago na siya. And then, from here, it says dimmer. So, pwede mong palitan yung brightness niya from here. Yan, as you can see. And then, from here, you can also change the colors. Right. Yan. Hindi ko makuha yung warm yellow light ng pang Christmas. Ito, pwede, pang Christmas tree na. And then, scene mode. So, shuttle. Chase. So, ayan yung tsura niya. Streaming. flutter, run, follow, trailing, and rainbow. Yung pag-change niya ng colors, hindi siya ganun kabilis. Unlike the Dreamlights na sobrang bilis. So, I guess, pang ano siya talaga. Pang set ng ambience, pang parelax. Then, music mode. So, meron pa rin 4 na options. Energy, rhythm, spectrum, and rolling. So, si energy, ito yung nakikita. Kay rhythm, ito naman. And, yun nga guys. Sensitive talaga siya. And, ang galing nung control box or IR box na to. Kasi, nandito yung microphone. And, sobrang sensitive niya. And, as you can see, hindi pa naka-full yung sensitivity from the app. So, pwede pa natin i-full yan. Yan. Rinig niya yung ingay ng sasakyan sa labas ng bahay namin. Spectrum is like this. Rolling, yan. Ganda rin niya. So, perfect siya. Pang set ng ambience and ng mood. Then, setting. And, nandito lang yung schedule if gusto mong i-on siya on a specific time. And then, countdown. Okay, so comment down below if anong feature yung nagustuhan nyo kay Fairlights. And, if you have any question about Lasco products or particularly this product, which is the Fairlights, comment down below. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.